One of the biggest differences between regular and gaming PCs is the video processing capabilities. But finding a good gaming PC under $500 can be a bit tricky, but it's not impossible. But with so many different options out there, it's not always easy to figure out which is best. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 gaming PCs on the market this year, based on performance, features, accessories, and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a system for the casual gamer or a good renewed system, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming PC will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start by looking at the iBUYPOWER Enthusiast Gaming PC, our choice for best gaming PC under $500. Being on a tight budget doesn't mean you can't enjoy some great gaming. The iBUYPOWER Enthusiast Gaming PC comes in under $500, making it extremely affordable to play most of your favorite mid-range games. You won't be able to play some of the more graphic-intensive AAA games like the more expensive gaming rig builds, but you'll breeze through most of the mid-range games with iBUYPOWER's quad-core AMD Ryzen 3 3200G processor, 8GB of RAM, 1TB hard drive, and an NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 graphics card. It's also VR ready, so you'll be able to test out some VR titles as well. The iBUYPOWER Enthusiast's ability to play games in high def is surprisingly impressive. You can get up to 37.7 frames per second on Fortnite, 31 frames per second on Grand Theft Auto 5, and 42.8 frames per second on The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt, all played at high settings at 720p resolution. If you drop the settings down a few notches, it'll even play a few select AAA titles. As for ports, there are easy top-access ports that include a pair of USB 3.0 ports, separate microphone and 2 activity LED, as well as reset and power buttons. Around the back are 2 USB 3.0 ports, an Ethernet port, and audio lines. There are also video outputs for the graphic card that include a DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI port. Audio is a full 7.1 surround sound to enhance your gameplay, and for storage, the system comes with a large 1TB hard disk drive. There are also some nice add-ons, including super fast 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, a tempered glass, 16-color RGB lighting case, a gaming keyboard, and RGB gaming mouse. With its small footprint, it takes very little space, and is at home either on or under your desk, or even in a hutch. It's also future-proof and offers a lot of expansion area under the hood, so the Enthusiast will easily accommodate any of your upgrades in the future. On the whole, for under $500, the iBUYPOWER Enthusiast is one of the best gaming PCs at this price point, and offers great value with exceptional performance for you to enjoy most mid-range titles in HD and some AAA titles with the setting dropped down. The compact design and sleek look with the glass casing and RGB lighting gives it a nice bump in aesthetics. Best of all, it's future-proof, so you'll be able to upgrade your gaming rig. Now we'll be taking a look at the Acer Aspire TC885, our choice for best gaming PC under $500 for casual gamers. Since not everyone is looking to play the latest AAA titles on ultra settings, the Acer Aspire TC885 is nicely built for solid everyday performance. At around $420, this entry-level Aspire is a great choice that delivers solid gaming for casual games and can even tackle some mid-level gaming titles. The Acer Aspire TC885 UA91 desktop and its accessories come in matte black, which gives it a solid, premium look with a nice modern feel. It comes with an Intel Core i3-9100 processor with Intel UHD Graphics 630 built in, 8GB of memory, 512GB solid-state drive for speedy read and writes, Wi-Fi, and a bit of room left over for expansion. The power button is in the form of a sleek V on the front, which makes it better looking than most. The front face features a vertical DVD writer and gives you access to a few ports that you'll need most of the time, including a USB Type-C port, a USB 3.0 port, an SD card reader, a headphone jack, and an audio in jack. The back panel holds 2 more USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 2 HDMI ports, and 1 VGA port. When it comes to size, the Acer Aspire TC885UA91 is pretty compact, and takes up a lot less space, so you'll easily find a place to set it up. Also, since the design is in black, it will blend nicely in any room. Connectivity comes with one USB 3.1 Type-C port, one USB 3.1 port, mic headphone jacks, and an SD card reader, all on the front. Wireless connectivity comes in the way of 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Acer also includes a wired keyboard and mouse in the package. Overall, the Acer Aspire is a solid entry-level desktop computer that performs well for the price and gives you some great casual gameplay for titles that aren't processor and graphics intensive. It's got a solid build with some cool design touches and a number of features you wouldn't necessarily expect at this price point, making it a great choice for the budget-strapped gamer. And it even comes with a pretty decent keyboard and mouse to help out your wallet. Last, we'll be taking a look at the renewed HP Pavilion Gaming PC Desktop, our choice for best value for dollar gaming PC under $500. The renewed HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop 690 is a jazzed-up version of HP's mainstream Pavilion compact towers. Its 16-liter case is about half the capacity of a typical mid-tower and weighs about 11.5 pounds. Even though it's renewed from Amazon, you can be reassured that it comes with their guarantee and warranty, so you won't have to worry about buying a used computer. Just because the Ferrari 488 GTB has a few miles on it, doesn't make it any less of a great car. For under $500, you can get a renewed HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop 690, which is an incredible deal, making it one of the best values to stretch your gaming dollar. And in return, you get a solid gaming PC while keeping more money in your wallet. Aside from the green-themed ports on the front panel, the Pavilion may look unassuming when it's off, but when powered on, a green light strip vertically divides the space, making it look like a true gaming rig. To its left is the slim tray-load DVD burner, and to its right is the power button, an audio combo jack, an SD card reader, two USB Type-A 3.0 ports, and a USB Type-C 3.1 port. That's a solid collection of front-accessible ports, as you can expect in a mainstream or budget PC. Under the hood, the 690 offers an AMD Ryzen 5 2400G quad-core processor, 8GB of RAM, a Radeon RX 580 graphics card, and a 1TB hard drive. The graphics card has one HDMI video out and 3 DisplayPort video out connectors. Finding a pre-built desktop that matches the performance of this system isn't hard, but finding one that does so at this price is a rare find. It's more than powerful enough for mainstream tasks, but all that power comes in handy when it comes to butter-smooth 1080p gameplay. The single-channel 8GB memory is adequate as the minimum for today's AAA titles, but you'll want to upgrade it to take full advantage of its gaming potential. HP includes a basic USB keyboard and mouse with this desktop, which is suitable for casual gaming. But if you're an avid gamer, you'll want to upgrade to a dedicated gaming keyboard and mouse. The renewed HP Pavilion Gaming 690 features a Radeon RX 580 graphics card, which makes it a strong gaming rig that overshadows others in its price range. At under $500, it's a great bargain and a gem of a find in performance and value. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.